Hello guys, today we will learn about the logical operators. So there will be three operators here, which is AND, OR, or NOT. So how does it work in the C++? So it will combine two conditional statements. After it checks both of it, it will return as if those results are true or false for both of it, for both of the results. Now let's try to get on with it so that we can understand it more. Now let's try with the AND operator first, which is the let's try to declare a variable which is equal to, and then if, now here will be those operators come to work. If x is more than 1, and where's the n here, and x is less than 5, we will print out something so that we know that those operators work. So cout is accepted, accepted, then return 0. So the AND operator, it works much more like a multiply. Okay, just for us to recap, I know most of you know this, so that this is only so that we can understand how does this operator works here much more clearer. Now this one will be the s plus, and then the NOT is just an inverse. Now how does this work? X is more than 1, and then n, it is x is less than 5. So in a multiply case, or in this case, it will only print out accepted if the value are within range of both of this. They are within range. Okay, this is for our understanding. In my words, I'm sorry if it's wrong, but I'm trying to explain things much clearer here for us, so that we have a better picture for this. So because the x is equal to 2 and it is within range of x equal to 1, x is more than 1 and x is less than 5, it will be accepted because it is within range. Now if x is let's try out 7, it is within range of x is more than 1, but it is not within range of x is less than 5, because x is 7, it is not less than 5, but it is more than 1. So if either one is correct and the other one is not correct, so it will print out the not correct, such as for this, like this multiply here, is that if 1 is correct, multiply with 0, it will print out 0. It will be false, it will not be accepted. So let's try it out. Will it be accepted or not? Now it doesn't print out anything, so it does not accept it because it is not within range, and only one of the operator is correct. That is for the AND case. Now let's try the OR case. So the OR case, it works as like this. The OR case works as if x is more than 1, and then if x is less than 5, and if either one of these two of these statements are correct, it will be correct. Now as x is equal to 7, it is correct for x is more than 1. it will print out, for this case, in the OR operator case, it will accept, because OR operator will accept things as correct at either one. If either one of it is correct, it will accept the operator as correct, and then it will print out the statement. And here we go. It does accept it because it is within range of within 1, which is in this case, which is x is more than 1. Now, for the next part, which is the NOT operator. This NOT operator is the inverse. It's quite simple. Let's try it out. If it is not the x is more than, let's put it more than 10. Now, if x is more than 10, which is in the normal case, it will not print anything, because x, for this case, x is equal to 7. It is not more than 10. By right, it will not run this statement to be printed out here, which is accepted. So with the NOT operator, this x is equal to 10 will be inverted, such as less than 10 in this case. So something which is more than 10 will be inverted. Anything here will be inverted. In this case, x is more than 10, it will invert as less than 10. 7 will be less than 10, it will accept. Now, what if we don't put this this one here? Let me try to copy this one here, put it here, and I'll try to come in here. If x is more than 10, in the normal case, x is equal to 7. If it is x is more than 10, it will print accepted. In this case, it will not accept because x is equal to 7. It is not more than 10. It will not print, just like we expected. Now, if the NOT operator case is being applied here, such as this one, everything here inside here will be inverted. X more than 10 will be x is less than 10. So things will be inverse. And here you go, it accepted. As x is equal to 7, it is more than 10 by right, and then we invert it. So the rather than it does not print it, it will print it out because the value or the case are inverted. And I hope you guys understand it on how does the operators work in C++. Thank you.